In this video, you are going to learn how to make this kind of line animation using CapCut PC. So let's get started. This is CapCut PC and we need to add the background first. For example, I am using this paper texture background. But if you want, you can choose another one. And I need to add text. Just add to track on the default, and then you can see the text is here. And just I want to keep this text on the right positions, and I want to remove just start, and I want to drag and drop it on the bottom, and you can see the start is now look like this. And I just want to copy this one. So if you want to copy, just hold Alt key and drag it and it will copy, which is pretty cool, right? So it's a pro tips. So and I just want to rename it hard work and do the same again. Just press the Alt key and drag and change it to success. Okay, and now you can move anywhere of this screen. I just want to keep it on the center, and I want to add now a line. So we need a line which is very important to us. So that's why I just want to add another text tip, and I want to make it dash. So press couple of dash and rotate it on 90 degree, and then you can make it on the right position, and you can decrease the character. It's -2, it's -3 is pretty good, and then just add the glow. Then it's look like a line right now. So if you want, you can increase or decrease this size, and you can see everything that you can do that. So this is scale, and I just want to keep this one with this size, and I want to make some line. So it's nothing can happen here because it's not a line. So I just want to make it bold, and I want to add a glow. So if you scroll down here, you can see the glow is already added, but I want to increase the range, and I want to change the color. So I want to, like, if you want, you can pick your favorite color, but for this video I want to make a pretty greenish color, and I want to make this text beside. So for example, for start we need a circle. For making circle we need a dot, just dot, not zero, dot, and increase the font size, and now it's look like a circle, and just keep it on the right position, and you can give the appropriate size and copy the same thing for these 3 bullet point. So make it compound clip, then we can make like we can add any marks here. So I just want to add mask, so it's a horizontal mask, and I want to rotate it -180 degree, and just keep it here and position, make a keyframe, and you can add another circle here which is right there. So you can further make this video attractive, because this line if you make flat always, then it won't look like professional. So that's why I recommend to add feather. And now make it like keep it at the right position, and then make the keyframe. Okay, so for example, this is first circle, and we need another circle, and here, and I just decrease a feather little bit. Yep, just here, and copy the circle and make, like, keep on the drag and middle, and now copy again for the success. Yeah, and keep beside the success, and now it's look like this, and just drag and keep the right position, like where when you want to see that. Yeah, now it's look like this. Boom, boom. Yeah, okay. It's now looking good, but I want to change the color, and if you want, you can add the animation here. Like, animation can make your transaction smoothly. For example, if I add a transaction animation for the circle, like zoom in to slide up, or I like mini zoom for this circle, like, and decrease the duration, it's 2 seconds only, and make this mini zoom for rest of this. Yep, now it's looking pretty good. Okay, so yep, it's good, and make these three. Yep, okay, okay. You can like preview, it's not showing because we made it's a compound clip. So now we can change the circle color. The circle is here, like when you select that circle, you can see that. Okay, so now let's try to change the circle color. Like if we make the keyframe for circle color, then this circle will be good to animated. Okay, so for example, if I go to the basic for the first circle, go to basic and add keyframe for color, and when it will show, it will change the color. So the first one will show on there, just change it. Like, you can choose any color for this circle, and you can add glow if you want. So we already used glow for line, so that's why if you use a glow for circle, that will look good. So I just want to add green glow, and now it's look like this. And if you want, you can do this for both. So if you want, you can drag and drop the keyframe. So for example, this green is looking good, but I want to add a red as a glow. Okay, so you can see now it's look like this, and just do the same thing for rest of this circle. Okay, so it's now look like this, and select the second one and do the same thing, like add the color keyframe here, and change this color green, and glow will be red. Select red from here. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, and the last one, go to here and select the color green keyframe, and change the color green to red. It's green and glow will be red. Select glow and red. That's it, and see the preview. Yeah, that's look like this. So it's now looking good, but we didn't use any animation for text. So if we add few animation on the text, that will be looking more good. So here we just go to like select the positioning. So hard work is here, and like start hard work, and when the circle will show, the success will be displayed. Yep. And then just adjust the duration for all the text. Okay, so text is now look like this, and go to preview, and like add that animation for text. For example, I want to add zoom out text. Yeah, it's look pretty good. So zoom out is my favorite animation. Always I try to use that. If you want, you can add that. And for success, we need to add another animation that will be look very good. And if we want, you can add the sticker for success. Like when the success will display, you just want to reward that, something like that. It's just an example. Okay, so you can add anything. Also, if you want, you can download from Google and add it here, but I just want to add few 1-star is here. Okay, it's now look like this, and success will display here, and the star will come. And I want to add more animation for so we can loop or out, so it will out. If you want, you can add the outro animation. For example, if I want to show you, it will gone. Okay, but if you want to make it loop, like add this one with one looking good. So now this to this and this. Yup. And now the outro we don't need, we then just need to remove and just adjust all the size. And for example, we need, if we add the sound, that will look professional. Like without audio, video is nothing. Okay, so if you want, you can add bell ring. Also you can add click or beep, but beep is not appropriate here, that's why I want to use bell. So if bell is too long, I think it also not appropriate here. So just try to do that. It's not good. Yeah, beep like bell is not good. So we need ring. So find ping. So hit the ping. Yeah, it's good. So you can see I made my favorite sound, the sound effect. That's why I'm seeing the list here, and ping is here. And now I just want to copy and paste for these three section. Yeah, now yeah, that's it. And for success, we can add another sound effect for success. For example, search success, and you will see, yes, this one success add here, and it's like beside on the ping sound, and when the success will come, it will display. Yeah, that's good. And yeah, that's good. That's the good. And I just want to remove the out text if animation, and this is done. Boom. So this is actually was the basic idea. So if you want, you can export it, and if you want, you can get idea from this video, and you can make another line effect easily. That's all for today. If you found this video was useful, then hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more video from me, then consider subscribing to this channel, because it will help me to continue working on this channel. My name is Nasim, and I will see you on the next video. Till then, bye. Have a good day.